LOL, mano, me lo estaba fluqueando. No, no, hermano, no iba ni nervioso.
Mañana me va a tocar de nuevo en el mismo local. Seguramente va a estar re tranquilo.
Mano, casi me pasó MISFIRE al primer intento. Qué puta mierda.
¿En serio?
Mano, literalmente entré al nivel y casi me lo paso. 93.
What the fuck. Mierda.
Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Right, extreme noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your balls from across the floor. Noses your Nicky like you till day or till day, hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy like these nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
Señoras y señores, me acabo de volver WcropoliX. Me pasé MISFIRE. Uy, intento 50. Y like stream. Bien.
Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Right, extreme noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your balls from across the floor. Noses your Nicky like you till day or till day, hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy like these nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.